Hello viewers, welcome to Neidhal Online. Today we are going to see 10 designs in designer, fancy and regular wear dress materials. Price ranging from $799 to $2149. All these products will be available in our website neidhal.com from 12 noon. You can place your order directly from our website. We do free shipping all over India. Products will be shipped in 1 or 2 days of ordering and tracking details will be shared to your mail ID and SMS next day after shipping. Viewers, kindly note there will be a slight variation in the color due to the lighting we use for the videography. Hence, we request you to consider the picture posted in our website for reference. Let us see the first designer piece. The fabric is muslin silk, premium quality fabric which has a round neck. And all these are zari woven buttas all over in dark wine color, and all these neckline are worked with real mirrors. Let us see how the complete set looks. It's a designer piece, festive wear collection. The color is dark wine. It's Dola silk. A thin and silky fabric in premium quality. Lining is needed. You can take a closer view of the work. All these are real mirrors. Special care has to be taken while washing. And we have zari woven design in the front. It is plain at the back. We have matching santoon bottom in dark wine shade. And this is the dupatta in pure chiffon with foil work and broad brocade tapings on all four sides. It's a short with dupatta in pure chiffon. Beautiful combination, dark wine with yellow. This is how the complete set looks. We have 3 colors in this. The cost of the set is $2149 and we do free shipping all over India. Let us see the next color. We have in mossy green shade. The next color is in beautiful green shade. So this is the next shade with real mirror work on the yoke. Beautiful combination, green with dark pink dupatta. We have matching santoon bottom in green, and this is a dupatta for this with broad brocade tapings on pure chiffon. The cost of the set is $2149. There might be a color variation in the video, so please refer the picture posted in our website, because due to the lighting some colors will appear too bright or too light. So this is the next color. It's maroon with navy blue combination. All these are designer pieces. We have limited stocks in this. Matching santoon bottom, and this is a dupatta for this in maroon in pure chiffon. Priced at $2149. Next we are going to see Bhagalpuri jute silk cotton dress materials, which has wax batik dyed on it. It's pink with green combination. The fabric will be slightly coarse and it has little shine as well. It is kind of textured fabric. So the colors will be kind of sober colors in this design. So we have batik prints on the front side with borders in the daman. So it is, and we have simple batik design at the back as well. It is teamed with Bhagalpuri jute silk cotton bottom, which has prints, which has batik prints in the lower part of the bottom, and dual shaded dupatta in Bhagalpuri jute silk cotton is a dual shaded dupatta which has wax batik prints on it. Because these colors are sober and it might appear too bright in the video. All these are sober pink with sober green color with beautiful combination. and this is how the dupatta looks. The cost of the set is $8.99, free shipping. We'll quickly take a look at the other three colors, all in beautiful combination. So this is the next color. It's kind of sober green with light orange combination with original wax batik on jute Bhagalpuri jute silk cotton fabric. So this is the bottom and this is the dupatta. Priced at $8.99. You can buy these products directly from our website neidhal.com from 12 noon today. And this is the next shade, dark fenugreek yellow with grey combination. So this is the bottom in silver grey and this is the dupatta, jewel shaded dupatta. Next we have navy blue with light turquoise green combination. So this is the bottom, which also has batik prints in the lower part of the bottom, and this is the dual shaded dupatta. Next we are going to see an exclusive designer piece in beautiful pastel peach with light turquoise green combination. The fabric is premium silk cotton, soft silk cotton fabric. In the yoke we have fancy buttons and all these are embroidery work with colorful thread. Let us see how the complete set looks. All these are festive wear collection. So this is the front side of the top with all over embroidery. The daman we have simple piping, and this is the yoke part with thread work, and it is plain at the back. The fabric is of fine quality. It is thin, so lining is needed. It is teamed with light turquoise green, pure cotton bottom, and the dupatta is highlighted. Beautiful dupatta in organza with heavy thread, colorful thread embroidery work, and all these are embroidery in a leafy pattern. It's a beautiful dupatta in organza, and we also have cut work on both the sides. Dupatta adds beauty to the set. The cost of the set is $1249. The dupatta is so rich in this set. Now let us see the next set. The fabric is silk cotton fabric in half white color with colorful thread work all over. In the daman we have a simple golden piping. The fabric is silk cotton. We have restocked this design again after a couple of months on customers' request. Even this is one of our hit design. So we have colorful embroidery work on the front side in half white color. The fabric is thin, so lining is needed. It is plain at the back. It is teamed with pink silk cotton bottom, and dupatta in beautiful digital printed colorful dupatta, and this is a dupatta for this. It's a single color concept. The cost of the set is $1379. Next we are going to see one more hit design of ours. The fabric is spun cotton in denim blue color, and all these are applique work, a patchwork highlighted with cut bead work with simple yoke design. Let us see how the complete set looks. The fabric will be soft with vertical printed lines in denim, in beautiful denim blue color. It is also a designer piece with applique work done on the yoke. So this design comes in the front as well as at the back, the vertical lines in denim blue color, and this is the daman patch with gota lace work. We have pale grey soft cotton bottom, sandtone bottom, and we have a designer dupatta which has colorful leafy prints on it with patchwork and gota lace work. It's a kind of short width dupatta. So the dupatta has patchwork highlighted with gota lace work, and we have colorful leafy prints on the other side of the dupatta. This is how the complete set looks, single color. The cost of the set is 1399. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Every day we post collections at 11:30 a.m. on our YouTube channel, and all these products will be available in our website at 12 noon in our website. So you can place your order directly there. So this is the next designer piece in pastel green shade. We have a heavy zari and sequence work done throughout the fabric with simple yoke and fancy buttons. The fabric is premium soft silk cotton in pastel green shade. So the heavy work comes in the front side. The daman, we have simple gota lace work. It is plain at the back. We also have gota lace detailing given, can be given for the sleeves. The fabric is thin, so lining is needed. It is teamed with santoon bottom in same pastel green, and dupatta, we have a beautiful soft silk dupatta which has bright floral prints on it. The fabric is very lightweight and silky, and gota lace work is given on all four sides with fancy tassels. A very lightweight silky dupatta, and this is how the complete set looks. The cost of the set is 1799. We are bringing lot of festive wear collections for this festive season. So this is the next design in cotton. These are printed cotton with simple potli buttons on yoke. The base color is dark beige. It's printed all over in the front as well as at the back are printed. We have simple piping in the daman. It is teamed with maroon cotton bottom and dupatta in fancy kota silk cotton with embroidery work. It's a short width dupatta, a very lightweight fabric, and lace tapings are provided on all four sides, and all these are embroidered. The single color again. The cost of the set is 1179. Next, let us see the dress material in south cotton. It's grey with black combination, and this is the yoke part with wooden buttons. The fabric is south cotton fabric. It's kind of handloom cotton, and in the daman we have a black patch with thread detailing. It is plain at the back. We have black cotton bottom for this, and it is teamed with printed mull cotton dupatta with tapings provided on all four sides. The dupatta has beautiful prints, and this is the dupatta for this. The single color again. The cost of the set is 799, and we do free shipping all over India. Next, we are going to see a dress material in viscose silk in beautiful color. It's a pink color. The fabric is kind of thin and silky fabric with simple yoke and fancy buttons. The print also has golden prints highlighting it. A nice bright pink shade with navy blue combination. So this prints comes in the front as well as at the back. The daman, we have a simple piping. We have navy blue cotton bottom for this, and dupatta in chiffon. It's a jewel shaded chiffon dupatta with foil work. So this is how the set looks. The cost of the set is 1099. Here the fabric is not too thin, so it is not transparent, so lining is optional for this set. Next, we are going to see all-time hit design, a designer piece in premium cotton with simple yoke and buttons, and all these are Varley embroidered the front side of the top in half white base color. Let us see how the complete set looks. So this Varley embroidery comes all over the top and the front side. In the daman we have beautiful pom-pom tapings. It is plain at the back. The fabric is thin, lining is needed. It is teamed with half white cotton bottom, and we have a designer dupatta. We have patchwork, embroidered and netted dupatta. And this is the dupatta for this. We have cut work patch, embroidered patch and netted that comes in the middle with pom-pom tapings on all four sides. It's a single color concept. The cost of the set is 1579. Hope you like our today's collection. Thanks for watching our video. Have a great day and stay safe.